make homemade chicken quesadilla. So there's your boneless, skinless chicken breast, shredded with the taco seasoning mix on it. Then you're going to come over here and butter your tortillas on one side only. Then you're going to add your cheese, add the chicken to the tortilla. Make sure the butter is on the outside of the tortilla. You're going to fold it up just like this on the George Foreman. Then you're going to close it. I'm going to go and keep it flipped, and I'll let y'all see it when it gets done. There's your chicken quesadilla. And there you have it, another quick snack for the kids. Chicken quesadilla.